Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel.
Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to use an external monitor with your laptop closed. If you have a laptop and want to use its display output to an external monitor while closing the laptop lid, then this video is for you. Running a laptop with the lid closed using an external monitor is called clamshell mode. To enable clamshell mode in your laptop, follow these simple steps in this video. Open Control Panel, and then open Hardware and Sound Settings. Here you can see power options. Open it. Right now, on the left side, an option named Choose what closing the lid does. Open that option. Then change the option When I close the lid from Sleep to Do Nothing in both On Battery and Plugged In sections. Change both options from Sleep to Do Nothing. And save the changes. Then connect your laptop display to an external monitor via HDMI or Type-C USB. After detecting the display on the external monitor, now you can close the lid of your laptop. You can also buy a new vertical laptop stand to place the laptop like a CPU. Check any e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. to buy a vertical laptop stand holder.
It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.